Logging in is where every shift starts. Get this right and you're set for the whole day. Get this wrong and you're locked out at 3 in the morning when the call comes in. So we're going to spend 15 minutes on this. If you used the old TicketsCAD before, the login looks different. Cleaner, the day or night theme. But the username and password you used before still work. NewUI accepts every legacy password format, so you don't need a new one. 2 fields. Username, password. Sign in. That's it for the basic flow. Below the password field are 2 theme buttons, day and night. If you walk into a dark dispatch room and the screen is too bright, click Night. Easier on the eyes. The toggle remembers your choice in this browser for next time. Notice what's not here. There's no forgot password link. TicketsCAD has no self-service password reset. If you forget your password, you contact your administrator and they reset it from the admin side. We'll cover that in the admin track. Username is not case sensitive. Password is. So, if your password has a capital letter it's first time you log in with a new account, the system sends you straight to your profile to change your password. This is on purpose. Your administrator gave you a temporary one, now you pick something only you know. 8 characters minimum, at least 1 number, 1 letter. The system rejects passwords that are too common, password, 12345678, things like that. Pick something you can remember without writing it down. A passphrase works well, 3 or 4 random words you can picture. And we're in. From here on, that's your password. Don't share it. Don't write it on a sticky note on your monitor. 2-factor authentication. The most important 15 seconds of your dispatch career. Let's set it up now. From your Profile, Security tab, click Set Up 2FA. The wizard first asks you to confirm your current password, a quick safety check, then it opens. This QR code is a secret. Don't show it to anyone. Don't take a screenshot you'll share. Don't email it. On your phone, open your Authenticator app. I'm using Google Authenticator. Microsoft Authenticator works. Authy works. 1Password works. Pick one. Scan the code. Your app starts generating 6-digit codes that change every 30 seconds. Type the current code into TicketsCAD. Stare. Verify. The system accepts it and confirms 2FA is on. Now, this part is important. Backup codes. 8 of them. Each one works exactly once. They are, for the day you lose your phone dies, the battery is dead, you left it in the car. Save them, click Copy All, or download as text. Put them somewhere only you know, a locked desk drawer, your wallet, a safe. Not next to your computer. If you lose all 8 and you also cannot get to your phone, you call your administrator. They can disable 2FA on your account so you can log back in. Then you re-enroll. It is not the end of the world, but planning ahead is faster. Now let me log in again with 2FA on. Username. Password. Now I get the 2FA prompt. 6-digit code from my Authenticator app. Type. Submit. And I'm in. The whole login takes about 10 seconds. Worth the protection. If you check Trust this device, the system remembers this browser on this computer for 30 days. You won't be prompted for a 2FA code each time. Use it on your dispatch workstation. Don't use it on a shared computer. Sessions don't last forever. By default, 8 hours. After that, the system asks you to log in again. When your session expires mid-workflow, the next thing you click sends you back to the login page. There's no inline pop-up. TicketsCAD just bounces you to log in again. So here's the habit that saves you. Submit your work early. If you're partway through an incident form and your session has expired, that unsaved form is gone when you get redirected. Don't let a form sit half-filled for hours. Submit, then reopen if you need to edit. Log back in, and you're right back to work. If you type the wrong password too many times, by default 5 within a 15-minute window, the system locks your account temporarily. Lockout is a security feature. It stops someone from guessing your password by trying 1,000 combinations. If this is you, you typed it 5 times wrong, wait 30 minutes. The lockout clears automatically. Or call your administrator and they can unlock you instantly from the admin UI. If this is not you, you only tried once, that means someone else is trying to break into your account. Tell your administrator. They'll check the audit log to see where the attempts came from. One more error message you might see. After a successful login, every API call comes back as 403 with the message, "No roles assigned." This means your user account was created but no role was assigned to it. So you can log in, but you can't do anything. It's a fail-close protection, better to block you than to silently give you the wrong access. The fix is administrative. Tell your administrator. They go to the Roles and Permissions page, grant you a role, and you reload. Done in 30 seconds. And one related message. This account is disabled means the same thing. Call your admin. It's not something waiting fixes. Recap. Username and password to log in. No self-service reset, so contact your admin if you forget it. Set up 2FA on day 1 and save your 8 backup codes. Sessions last 8 hours by default. Lockout after 5 wrong attempts, clears in 30 minutes. No roles assigned means call your admin. Up next, module free, creating an incident the fast way. The keyboard-only workflow that gets you from phone ringing to unit dispatched in under a minute. See you there.